What's up, everyone? This is Elijah of Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps that involve money and real estate on this channel, and we're going to be covering the methods on how you can transfer money between Chase and Cash App. Now, in order to do any of these methods on the phone, you do need the Chase banking app and the Cash App, and obviously you need to have accounts with both. Assuming that you have that set up, let's cover exactly how you transfer money from Cash App to Chase using a debit card. So we're going to start off by opening our Cash App up. And the first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have your Chase debit card linked. So click on the picture in the top right hand corner. Then you want to click on linked banks. From here, you want to pull out your Chase debit card and click on link debit card. Fill in the information on your debit card and click on link card. From there, the Chase debit card has been linked. Now that the bank is linked, we can go back to the main menu and you want to click on your balance in the bottom left hand corner. Next, click on cash out. Pick however much you want to cash out, and in order for this to go to the debit card on file, which in this case would be the Chase debit card, you want to click on instant. Keep in mind that you will pay a small fee, but Cash App will let you know what that fee is before you initiate. That is how you transfer money via a debit card from Cash App to Chase. Next up, we have the ability to transfer money from Chase to your Cash App using a debit card. Now, if you've been following this tutorial so far, you should already have your Chase debit card linked to your Cash App, so we don't need to do that again. We'll want to click on our balance in the bottom left hand corner, and you'll need to click on Add Cash. When you click on Add Cash, decide how much you want to transfer. For this example, I'm going to use $10, and then click on Add. And as you can see, $10 has been added to my Cash App. The way the Add Cash function works is that it will automatically add money from the debit card that's linked to your Cash App account. In this case, since my Chase debit card is the one that's linked, that's the place where the money comes from. Any interaction on Cash App that involves a debit card will happen more or less instantly, versus a bank transfer can take 1 to 3 business days. So that's something to take into consideration when deciding in what way do you want to transfer money between Cash App and Chase. Now it's time to cover how to transfer money from Cash App to Chase using the bank account. So we're going to start off by opening the Cash App up. Then you want to click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner. And you're going to click on linked banks. From here, you want to select where it says link bank. Cash App has an option of using Plaid to link bank accounts, which makes it more convenient and allows you to link the bank account fast. We're going to go ahead and click on continue, and we didn't even have to search for it. There's Chase. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click on continue to log in. You'll then be taken to the Chase app. From here, you just log into your Chase app like normal using your login information. You scroll down to the bottom, click on next. This is basically explaining that Cash App and Chase will be linked at the end of this process, so click on next. From here, you'll need the checkbox, the checking account that you want to be linked. And you also have the option to include any new accounts that you make on Chase to be linked to Cash App automatically. I don't have any interest in doing that, so I'm going to leave that unchecked. Scroll to the bottom and click on connect my accounts. And boom, the Chase bank account has been linked to Cash App. Now, if you have any kind of trouble with Plaid, you could always just follow the instructions in the video I recommended to not use Plaid at all, because sometimes it does glitch out. But now that we have the bank accounts linked, we're going to exit that, go back to the home screen, and you'll want to click on the balance in the bottom left hand corner. Once there, click on the button Cash Out. When you arrive at this screen, you want to click on the standard button. This will initiate a bank transfer to the bank that's linked to Cash App currently, which in this case will be Chase Bank. You can choose how much you want to transfer by typing in the amount or by scrolling left or right on this bar. I'm going to choose $10. Click on standard, and boom, the transfer has been initiated and it will be completed on Monday. For this method of transferring from Chase to Cash App, we're actually going to initiate this from the Chase app. So we need to start by opening the Chase app up, and you'll need to log in. Next, you want to scroll down and hit the transfer button. Once that is clicked, click on Manage External Accounts. From here, we'll need to actually link Chase to Cash App. So we're going to click on Add an External Account. And at this time, you can't find Cash App in the search. So if I was to type in Cash App, not going to pop up. So we need to add it manually. You want to scroll to the bottom where it says Add Account Manually. Click it, and you need to go back to your Cash App, but keep your Chase app open. Click on your balance in the bottom left hand corner, and you'll see a spot where it says Accounting and Routing. You want to click that, and your account number and routing number will be revealed for your Cash App. You'll want to copy your routing number and account number and paste them into the fields on Chase. Once you've done that, click on Next, and then you'll need to name your bank. I am just going to simply call it Cash App, then click on Next. You'll then need to agree to Chase's trial deposit terms. What this basically means is that Chase is going to drop 1 or 2 deposits into your Cash App account, then pull them back. You'll then come back to this account to verify by entering those same deposit amounts. And this way your account is verified, then you'll be clear to transfer money between the 2 accounts. So I'm going to agree, click on Confirm. You'll then need to wait 2 to 3 days for those deposits to go through. Okay, so now comes time to verify our account on Chase so that we can complete the transfer to Cash App. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and click on the transfer button, click on Manage External Accounts, and then click on Cash App. Chase won't let you proceed until you verify the account, so we're going to click on Verify Account, and it's going to ask for the 2 trial deposits that they deposited into your Cash App account. So what you want to do is leave Chase app but keep it open, and log into the email you have on file for Cash App. You'll then be able to find the deposits that Chase left. In my case, it's 12 cents and 47 cents. I'm going to go back to the Chase app and enter this information. Now that information has been entered, I'm going to click on Verify, and the Cash App account has now been verified, and I can schedule a transfer, which is what we're going to do. I'm going to click on Schedule a Transfer, and we're going to transfer $10. The From section, I'm going to pick the Chase bank account, and the transfer to, I'm going to select Cash App, and boom, the transfer of $10 has been scheduled to take place between Chase and Cash App. But with that being said, that concludes the video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you found value in this video, giving us a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next video. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.